everyone. 안녕하세요, 라니예요. Welcome to Rani's Korean class. Today, we're going to start learning Hangul. Hangul. Hangul is the Korean writing system. If Korean letters look new or difficult to you, don't worry. We will start slowly and learn one step at a time. You don't need to know any Korean before starting this lesson. In this workbook, you will learn how Hangul works, how to read Korean letters, and how to write them. 한글을 처음 배우는 분들도 괜찮아요. Take your time and enjoy learning with me. Are you ready? Let's start. Before we learn the letters, let's first talk about Hangul. 한글은 한국어의 문자예요. Hangul is the writing system of the Korean language. Hangul was created in the 15th century by King Sejong the Great and his scholars. Hangul has 24 basic letters. There are 14 basic consonants and 10 basic vowels. 한글은 자음 14개, 모음 10개로 만들어졌어요. You don't need to memorize all of them right now. We will learn them step by step. These letters come together to make syllables. This is one of the most important things to understand about Hangul. Korean letters do not simply sit next to each other in a long line. They come together and make a syllable block. We will practice this many times in our lessons. Now, let's see how Hangul works. 한글은 소리를 글자로 나타내는 문자예요. Hangul letters represent spoken sounds. When you learn the sounds of the letters, you can start reading Korean. Here is the basic pattern. 자음 plus 모음, consonant plus vowel. Together, they make one syllable. In Korean, we say 음절. 자음과 모음이 만나서 하나의 음절을 만들어요. Sometimes we also have a consonant at the bottom of a syllable. This final consonant is called 받침. 받침. So another pattern is consonant, vowel, and final consonant. Together, they also make one syllable. Don't worry about 받침 yet. We will learn it later in this workbook. For now, remember one important point. Korean letters come together to make one syllable. 한글은 글자들이 모여 하나의 음절을 만들어요. It may feel different from English at first, but once you understand the pattern, Hangul becomes much easier. Now, let's look at Korean consonants. In Korean, a consonant is called 자음. 자음? A consonant is a sound made using your lips, tongue, or throat. Hangul has 14 basic consonants. You can see the 14 consonants on this page. Don't try to memorize all of them at once. For now, just look at their shapes and become familiar with them. A Korean consonant usually combines with a vowel to make a complete syllable. 자음과 모음이 만나서 한글 한 글자를 만들어요. A consonant and a vowel work together. Once you learn the 14 basic consonants, you can start making many Korean syllables and words. Later, we will also learn 5 double consonants. In Korean, we call them 쌍자음. But first, we will focus on the 14 basic consonants. Now, let's look at vowels. In Korean, a vowel is called 모음. 모음? A vowel combines with a consonant to make a Korean syllable. Hangul has 10 basic vowels. You can see the 10 basic vowels on this page. Again, you don't need to memorize all of them today. Just look carefully at their shapes. Some vowels have a vertical line. Some vowels have a horizontal line. Later, this will help you understand how consonants and vowels are placed inside a syllable block. For now, remember the basic pattern. 자음 플러스 모음, consonant plus vowel. They come together to make a Korean syllable. There are also 11 compound vowels. In Korean, we call them 복합모음. We will learn them after the 10 basic vowels. 기본 모음부터 배워요. Let's learn the basic vowels first. Next, let's take a quick look at double consonants. In Korean, we call them 쌍자음. 쌍자음. Hangul has 5 double consonants. Double consonants have a stronger and tenser sound than basic consonants. You don't need to make the perfect sound right now. We will practice each one later. For now, just remember this. 기본자음은 14개, 쌍자음은 5개. There are 14 basic consonants and 5 double consonants. Now, let's look at compound vowels. In Korean, they are called 복합모음. 복합모음. Compound vowels are made by combining 2 vowels. We will learn these after the basic vowels. That's why learning the basic vowels first is important. 기본 모음 먼저 배우고 복합 모음은 나중에 배울 거예요. Basic vowels first, compound vowels later. After you understand the basic vowels, compound vowels will become much easier to read. So don't try to memorize everything today. We will learn and practice each part together. Now, let's look at what you will learn in this workbook. First, you will learn the 14 basic consonants and their sounds. 기본 자음. Next, you will learn the 10 basic vowels. 기본 모음. Then, you will practice the basic consonants and vowels together. After that, you will learn the 11 compound vowels. 복합 모음. Next, you will learn the 5 double consonants. 쌍자음. Then, you will learn final consonants. In Korean, we call them 받침. 받침 is a consonant used at the end of a syllable. And finally, you will review and practice everything you have learned. The lessons are designed to help you build your Hangul skills step by step. You don't have to learn everything at once. 천천히 하나씩 배우면 돼요. Take your time, practice each part, and move on when you feel ready. Our learning goal is simple. By the end of this workbook, you will be able to read and write basic Hangul with more confidence. At first, Korean letters may look unfamiliar. That's okay. Start with one letter, learn one sound, then make one syllable. 한 글자씩 천천히 연습해요. That is how we will learn Hangul together. Great job today. 수고했어요. Today, you learned the basic idea of Hangul. You learned about consonants, 자음. You learned about vowels, 모음. And you also had a quick look at 쌍자음, 복합모음, and 받침. In the next lesson, we will start learning the basic Korean consonants one by one. We will learn their shapes and sounds and practice how to write them. Keep your workbook with you and let's practice together. Thank you for learning with Rani's Korean class. 다음 수업에서 만나요. See you in the next lesson. 안녕.